can all do a bit more to become sustainable at work as well as at home, and this is especially true if you're a scientist, where labs are notorious for being resource intensive. Compared to offices, they consume on average 10 times more energy and 4 times more water, and create over 5 metric tons of plastic waste. But the good news is, organisations like My Green Lab are helping scientists to become more sustainable than ever. One initiative is the ACT label, which is like an eco-nutrition label for modern sustainable equipment and makes it easy for scientists, lab managers and procurement officers to choose sustainable products. The ACT label is also part of the My Green Lab certification, which has been selected by the United Nations Race to Zero campaign as a breakthrough outcome. It's one of the ways in which pharma and medical technology labs can halve their carbon emissions by 2030. So what exactly is the ACT label? This environmental impact label enables clear third-party verified information about the environmental impact of a lab product. ACT stands for Accountability, Consistency and Transparency around all aspects of a product, from its manufacture to its packaging and end of life. And these aspects are independently audited so the score can be trusted. Let's take a closer look at an example. Many labs have at least one fluorescence microscope. Have you ever stopped to take a look at the light source? You might not even give it a second glance as long as it's working as it should. But a lot of microscopes still use metal halide or mercury, which was a standard method up until just a few years ago when LEDs became the go-to technology. LED illumination systems are significantly longer lasting. There are no lamps to be disposed of, and this is also important when you consider the toxic mercury content of lamps and the cost of specialist disposal to prevent mercury contaminating the environment. LEDs also require significantly less energy. LED illumination systems can vary from below 60 watts in the case of the QLED P300 series to 300 watts for some products from alternative suppliers. While lamps are typically 120 watts, you must also factor in the warm-up and cool-down times, where labs often leave the lamp running all day for convenience. LEDs are instead simply switched on and off as required. Even better is that sustainability doesn't come at the cost of performance, and LED illumination systems enhance contrast, reduce phototoxicity, and enable high-speed imaging with TTL control. In the case of the QLED P300 series LED illumination systems, these products have been ACT label certified since 2018. The P300 series ACT labels from 2018 and 2021 show the breakdown of the environmental impact score, which factors in all manufacturing processes, as well as content of the product and its packaging. It also indicates how sustainable the end user will be when using this product, in terms of energy and water and product lifetime. The third aspect is the end of life. What happens to the product and packaging? For example, the P300 series and all QLED products have a take-back program. Another benefit is that having a score has helped us understand how to lessen our environmental impact and reduce our score from 47.2 to 38.2 by improving manufacturing and packaging. More and more laboratory products are becoming ACT label certified, and we suggest consulting the ACT label directory so you can factor sustainability into your next purchase. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.